All right, guys, so you're going to do a little math lab today, which will help you answer that question that I posed earlier. How is the value of pi derived? And it's also going to help you understand the formula that we use for calculating the circumference of a circle and why it works. So the tools you're going to need for this lab, you're going to need 3 circular objects. You can really take anything. I just took a couple things out of my pantry, a can of tomatoes, a can of chickpeas, and the filter for my vacuum because I just washed it. So what you're gonna do, guys, the other things you'll need, you'll want a ruler. You might want a longer one if your circles are bigger, so you might want a yardstick. If not, just a regular ruler is fine. You'll want a tape measure that you'll be able to wrap around the circular object. And if you don't have a tape measure, you'll use a piece of string. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna know the diameter and radius. So you're gonna measure the diameter of your object. And I got 7.4 centimeters for the diameter. The radius would be half of that, so that means the radius is 3.7 centimeters. So we're gonna record that in our table here. We're going metric today. Mr. Masoner insisted on it. And then you're gonna measure your circumference. This is kind of tricky, so you just wrap your tape measure around, make sure you pull it really tight, and I get about 23.4 centimeters for my circumference. And your final step is dividing the circumference by the diameter. So I did that. I took my circumference of 23.4 centimeters, divided it by 7.4 centimeters, and I got approximately 3/1600. So you guys are gonna do that and do a little investigation and see what happens, and then we'll do a little follow-up video afterwards.